Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, the very simple design called home care of pen. So it is very easy. So no more talking right now. Just let's begin. So first of all, I needed to little bit smaller. Yes. Now keep the corner side. So first of all, which tools I need? See to here. Over here, you see so many tools over here, but I need the ellipse tool. So guys, you know the ellipse tool is very important tool in the Adobe Illustrator. So you can see how it's important. So I hover here in the middle center. I set up it in middle center. See, just by pressing Shift key and Alt together. You see circle. This is exactly the circle. How can I do magic? You see the guys. So first of all, I need to select this one. And no, I will not select. I just go to the straight to the pen tool. You can use this by pressing P shortcut key. So I'm just more clear. I need it to more clear because for a beginner, the design pattern, you can learn clear about it. So that's why I'm this clear object. So see, I click over here is indicating the center. I click here and over here the middle side, click over here and go through here, and I think the middle side and go over here and here. So I go through the here. So select all the things by pressing Shift key here and just pathfinder and go to the minus. You see how magic happening over here. So now you just see done must up chances finish. So now right here you see the hand sign. I need is some difficult, but if you practice the pen tool, you can do it easily. So I'm pressing the pen tool and go over here with that. See, it's easy. Just you need a little bit patient and do properly. So I'm just here. I do here, and I think over here, right, not like that. Over here, so no, like that. Then I need to go straight over here, go like that. Little bit, just little bit over here, and over here, little bit like that angle. And I think it's better like that. Little bit, just little bit, yes. Then go over here and a little bit angle like that, and a little bit here, and go through here for there, and come here over here, ending here, and see how it's happening. Yes, exactly what I wanted. So I think no need to edit all the things, but I think a little bit smaller over here, a little bit more better, and this need a little bit smaller. I put it center, like that over here, and a little bit smaller, and put it over here. So I need to copy by pressing Ctrl and I like that. But how now? How to just turn over here like that? You just go to the here and reflect, and it just enter. You see exactly done. Right now, just over here exactly. No any difference between this one. A little bit like that. Put over here. I think it will be more better. The one is missing. You need to just do like that. Now what should I do? I just go to the rectangle tool and go over here like that. Just change the color. Made it a little bit more better. So it's okay. The copy by pressing Alt and copy over here and select all the things and a back this copy. I think it's not a label. Yes, I think a little bit upper side, a little bit more better. So I think that's fine. Fantastic. So I need to group all the things and keep the center. Yes, see exactly. Just now that to change the color will be fantastic design. So I need to just change the color over here and I need to change the color. Yes, go over here and this way. You see exactly. Now just go to the again the type tool and type like that. Sorry, just in it there. Okay, yes, have done is more. So I need to now just here and I needed to change the color. I think it will be more better. I think this color or that color. Is this okay? This is okay. Thanks for watching.